Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install FM radio app on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now, in this video, we will see how to download an FM radio app on our smartphone. But the FM radio app we're gonna download will require internet connection to run, since modern smartphones does not come with FM radio antennas built into them. Now to download the app, just open the Google Play Store and in the search bar just search this. Then install this app. Then tap on open. Now just give this app this permission. And from here you can find your favorite FM radio station. You have the option to search by country, by genre. Also you have the option to search by language and by networks. And this is how you can install FM radio app on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.